This is not simply my view, this is the view of all the Catholic bishops of Jharkhand. It is a long overdue right of the Adivasis that the Sarna Code be given a legal form, be passed into a law, and a proper schedule be prepared. This government was elected because in their manifesto this demand had also been placed, that they would fulfill this demand. I think it is by all justice that this government should bring the bill as soon as possible. As far as we are concerned, I think the Sarna Code is an important step in preserving the rights, the dignity, and the culture of the Adivasi people.
So many of the social organizations which come from tribal society, they have called for human chain on 20th of September. So how do you see this all things which is going on right now in the state?
I think our Adivasis are a little tired after asking again and again for the same demand. And I think even this human chain is one more attempt on their part to plead with the government that this Sarna Code be applied. We from the Catholic Church support this human chain fully, provided it keeps the rules of COVID-19, the social distancing, the meeting of people with each other, and the keeping of safety measures so that we remain safe and others remain safe. So we support the demand, but please keep this whole demonstration, manifestation within the rules of COVID-19.
Yeah, this is very true, but the thing is that India, when it was not independent, when Britishers were ruling this country, they had separate column as far as census is concerned. So after independence, when the census of 1951 was conducted, from that time the separate column has been taken out, and they have been demanding since then, and till now they have not got their demand. So the thing is that they have been struggling very hard. Many of the strugglers, they have even given their life, they have sacrificed everything, and the government which is prevailing in our state, in their manifesto before the election, they had assured that when they come to the power, they will be giving a separate Sarna Code. So the monsoon session is to come, and people are expecting that this demand should be fulfilled. So how do you see all these things, and what is your prediction, and what is your message to the people of Jharkhand?
We have already said in March in a letter written to the Chief Minister and to the Governor of Jharkhand that the NRC in Jharkhand should not be conducted till the Sarna Code is passed and a separate column is put for the Adivasis to put the Sarna Code as their religion. It is therefore our urgent request, appeal and demand to the government in Jharkhand to pass the Sarna Code bill as soon as possible and send it to the center for approval.
So this was Bishop Swami, who is very vocal and clear whatever he speaks, and he is of the view that Sarna Code should be passed as soon as possible, and in this monsoon session whatever the government has promised in manifesto, it should be done. And we thank Bishop Swami for giving his clear view in this regard. So thank you very much, Bishop Swami.
Yeah. My last word is a promise is a promise. If the government has promised the Adivasis they will have the Sarna Code, they should fulfill that promise. Thank you very much.
Thank you.